Okay, let me know what you think of this. I've got this form, and I have it's all tied to a single table, so it's just a plain form. It's a settings form, so there's just one row in the table that this ties to. So we get that loaded up, and you can change, your reminder time or what have you, and it should change fairly quickly. We can change theme. We want that to change, but we have this advanced option down here. And if this changes, it's going to run some code in the background that is fairly intensive, takes a few seconds to run, and we do not want to run it every single time something else up here has changed. We only want to run the code when this field is changed, and this field is just a regular field like it would be on the form. And so the way I'm doing that, I basically duplicated the field, called it hidden, and then get over here, protect the value. And we make sure that that is first in the layout because it's going to save the value only if the second one is it has to be after this one. This is the value that's going to get saved. If you drop this one down, then it'll keep saving this value, which you can't change and is the original value, and your changes will look like they're being saved, but they're not. So this needs to be second in the order of precedence, if that makes sense. And then what we have is a processing item here, execute code, and we're just checking. I'm going to pull that up here. We're just checking to see if the value's been changed, and if it is, then we're calling that code that we only want to call if it's changed. So any other regular saves, that value would not be changed, and that code won't get called. And that's it. So if you know a better way to check for a dirty field or validate whether a field's been modified, I did try a dynamic action for onChange, but when you set your primary key and you have your initialization process, it seems to fire the onChange event automatically. And so it's kind of like already run, and that wasn't working for me. So I stumbled upon this technique. And seems to be working. So, all right, thanks for watching.